Hello America, Mark Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Guaranty RV to present to you this 3226 2021 Bay Star. It's a beautiful coach. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. So coming into this coach, you can see that it has very pleasing colors, very light colors. And in Oregon, there's a lot of dreary weather in the wintertime, so this will lift your spirits and keep you from getting too much depression. But if you're looking to the right here, you do have the fold and tumble couch, which extends out into a nice sized bed, and it's very easy to get it in the out position. And right across from it, it's very nice that you have the dinette with two chairs and two extra chairs underneath the bed in the back. But look at the Corian countertop in here. It is so beautiful. And right across from over the couch here, you'll be able to look at the TV. This does have a dual sink when you come into the kitchen, and stainless steel, nice rectangle sink, deep and big. And it's also got beautiful cabinetry in this coach. You got the distressed antique look, if you will. And then you do have the stove top, which has three burners to it, a bank of drawers underneath, and you have the microwave convection up above. Going back just a little bit further is the refrigerator, which has a freezer on top and the refrigerator on the bottom, and then you have a little pantry immediately to the left of that. Now across from that, you will have an area for storage, and then you will have the door which goes into the bathroom, and that door is hinged right in the middle so that when the slide is in, that it will still open. The bathroom very spacious, nice skylight, a lot of room, big shower, and it's just a very pleasing bathroom. Going back into the bedroom, you do feature a king-sized bed. Now that's a true king. It is 72 by 80, so somebody who is very tall can fit on that and their feet will not extend over the end of the bed. Across from the bed, you're going to have the wardrobe. You have a TV, you have a window. You do have a window going out the back too, and that's very nice when you're pulling up to the ocean or something like that. You can see out the back and enjoy the ambiance. You also have two windows on the side for ventilation. That's the side of the headboard, that is, and you can see out those or open them up for ventilation. It's very nice. Now let's go up front to the cockpit and see what it has to offer up there. So coming up front, you will see that it has the entertainment center in the middle, and it has navigation, the backup camera. This also features side cameras, so you have it all right there at the touch of a button. And it is a Ford chassis, which is very nice, so 320 horsepower in this coach. And you have levelers over to the left. You have the mirror adjustments. You've got it all right here. What I like about this Class A is the huge window in the front and on the side. So the visibility is not only very pleasurable, but it's also safer in that you can see a better swath of area as you're going down the road. It does have a shade that comes down in the front, and that's done automatically with a touch of a button. And it's just so easy to do, and it's so nice to block off a little bit of the sun when you're driving, or to totally block off the windshield at nighttime when you need to have it blackened in here. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer on the outside. Coming outside, you'll see first and foremost that the paint scheme on this coach is very pleasurable. You have the blue, white, and the bronze, and a light gray, and it is just a work of art is what it is. But that's a full body paint, and you'll never have to worry about decals peeling or anything like that. It does feature on the front the Alcoa wheels. They're 22.5 as those tires, and the bigger the tire, the better the ride. That's going to be a real smooth ride going down the freeway. The doors to the bays are side open bay doors, and so that makes it a lot easier when you're kind of bent down and you're opening those up. You're not going to hit your head on the doors and on the slides and gash yourself and that sort of thing. It does feature an outdoor TV also, the Samsung TV. It's a 32-incher. And you can see right above that that you do have the frameless windows also which are very sleek and really actually keep the water intrusion to a minimum if it were ever to happen. The other thing that this has is a full awning over top, so that canopy comes out and you can sit and watch your TV, tailgate, whatever it is you want to do with your friends and relatives and family. It's a nice coach to do that with. Now stepping to the back, you will see that this does have a ladder on the back, number one, and then you have the camera up above to see your tow vehicle as you're driving down the road, and that also you can see people behind you. It acts kind of like a rear view mirror, if you will. And the ladder, when you get up on top, you can assess whether or not you need to touch up your sealant on the components or not. This does have 2 air conditioners up on top, and it really keeps it cool. This has the R19 insulation factor in it on this Bay Star, and so it's cooler in the summer and it's much warmer in the winter. Now coming around to the side, you'll see that this does have the 50 amp service, and it also has a 5500 watt awning generator right there. And you're going to have more storage. You have the wet bay, which you can do all of your hooking up of the sanitation and outdoor shower and flush for the black tank and all that stuff. It's really, really very nice, and it's all right there in one compartment. Coming up to the front, you'll see the side cameras that I pointed out. It does have side cameras and it has the rear camera, so very, very safe coach, and it's just mounted right there on the side. So you can see this has all the amenities that you might need to go out throughout the United States and enjoy your time. If this coach is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have on our campus, give me a call. My name is Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the guarantee number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.